Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will take a look at Wisecut. Wisecut is an easy to use AI video editor that allows us to generate videos very quickly. I believe this is tailored specifically for content creators where we have videos of people talking, people conversing and generating really quick content. So if you have a niche or if you have a video where you would like to talk about something, then I believe Wisecut is a great tool for you to use so that you can very quickly deploy it and upload it to your selected platforms. So what does Wisecut do? If we take a look down here, we have some auto cuts, auto punch ins. It cuts out some silences. There is some automatic subtitles and translation. Add smart background music, auto ducking, meaning when you're speaking, you're not overpowered by your music, and many more. So as you can see here, most of these are content creators that speak towards the camera or have something to say. So rather than taking all of your time editing silences or generating exactly the content that you want, Wisecut will do all of this very quickly. So without further ado, let's go ahead and go to that tutorial. So after signing in, this is the environment that we will see. If we take a look on the panels on the left side, we have our home button, we have new projects. We can take a look at the current project lists that we have and also all the different forms of media. So as you can see here, this is the latest project I have. This is actually the video we have generated in Pictory.ai. So there is a tutorial of this AI tool, and I'll be linking this down in the description below if you're curious or you want to see what that is about. So this is our latest project right here. What we're going to do is I'm going to show you how we ended up with this. Well, first of all, we did create a new project. So we can either click here on the top right, or it'll be here on the left hand side panel. Here we will need to upload our media. So let's go ahead and do that. And all we need to do is to drag our video here from our file explorer. Now once that has been uploaded, if you take a look here, there is a maximum upload size for a single file of 1 GB, or the maximum duration of the video or audio is around 28 minutes. Once that you have dragged your video, it will give you information of how long your video is, title of your file, and also the size that you're going to upload. So if you want to upload multiple videos, you can do so by just dragging or just clicking here to browse for your files. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload this. And then as you can see, this will upload all of your videos so that this will be uploaded into the Wise media section right here. Now once that the video has been uploaded, we will go ahead and click on next. And this is where we will give all of the meta that we need for our project. So we'll call this one Wisecut tutorial. We can then select the spoken language in the video. So if it doesn't have a voice, you can select this. Or you can choose all of this listed spoken language. So the video is in English. I'll go ahead and choose that. Now we have all of these options. So as you can see here, we have all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them is toggled on. And let me just quickly go through what each one does. Smooth cuts means that you will have smooth cuts when transitioning from one scene to another. We also have auto cut silences. So what Wisecut does, you check if there is any silence of a specific threshold, and then it would just cut that part and just connect where you are speaking. Smart background music analyzes your video and chooses a background music suitable for this. Auto ducking means that when you are speaking right now, what Wisecut will do is it will lower the music background so that it focuses more on your voice. And auto punch in and out allows you to essentially translate the video. It will zoom in at your face at certain periods, so it will try to analyze your content. And then burned in captions allows you to choose whether or not you want the captions to be directly in the video or if it's something that you can toggle on and off. So let's go ahead and create the project. Now, as you can see here, we will get this message. So Wisecut is working on your project, and once it's ready, we'll notify you by email. So you would upload all of your details with your video and your meta to the server or to Wisecut, and then they will do all of the analysis and generate all of this automatic cuts and all of the options that you have chosen. So now you can pretty much do whatever you want until we have the video prepared or ready for us. Depending on the version or the plan that we have, if you have the trial version, you will receive your video at a slightly longer stage because they will prioritize those who are in premium or those who have a non-free trial. So once it's done, I'm going to go ahead and go to project list. As you can see here, this is the project that we have done. And if you take notice of this, you have a 2 GB storage available for all of your video needs. If you need something much bigger, of course, do consider upgrading. Now what I'm going to do is we will go on to this video right here. So this is exactly the same video. The only difference is the title itself, but this is already an uploaded, edited video. So let's open this up. And now once that Wise has gotten back to us, it will give us all of the information that it has done for the video. So if we take a look, they have removed 35 seconds of awkward silence. There has been 9 jumps created. There is 72 lines of subtitles created. They have added music. They have audio enhanced it so that the voice over here sounds much better. And then there is that smart close-up created with auto punch-ins. Now we can either choose to preview and export, or we can edit the project, or we can also hit the play button here to see what it looks like. Now once that Wise has automatically done all of the edits, if you are not happy with it or you would like to add some manual changes to it, you can do so. So let's just go on edit project. And then here, this gives us all of the information that we have of the videos we have. So as you can see, it has researched all of the scenes. It has removed certain bits as well. So these removed bits are actually silences that I have added on the original video itself, just to show that it has removed those awkward silences right here. So there's a 2-second silence right here. And you can see here, that's another 2-second silence. And here we have a 1-second silence. What I'm going to do is I want to re-enable this. You go here on the right side and then click restore the scene. And now it would go through all of this. There are some additional editing tools that we can use for the scenes themselves if we would like. So going through it, we can play the scene. We can we can play this scene using this. We can play the entire video starting from this selected scene. We can trim the video. We can trim the scene. We can split the scene. We can change the volume of this part. We can copy we can duplicate the scene. We can do some form of framing. We can change the scene type. We can overlay the scene, and of course we can delete the scene if we want as well. We can also do some translations of the voiceovers that we have. So we have options of Portuguese, Spanish, Italian, French, and German. So for example, let's change this to French. Let's go ahead and translate. And then the French would go up here. And then as you can see, here are the translated versions. So I believe this will go into your subtitles options when you upload this to your platform. We can choose again the type of music that we want. So we have smart background music toggled on, so it would choose it automatically, or we can go through all the many royalty-free samples that we have. And then in our settings page, we can change the project name. We can do all of the auto cut settings right here, and then change the volume as well if we wanted to. Now let's go ahead and preview and export. So for the free version, we can export up to HD 720p. We can change we can choose the framing that we want. So we can either choose this as the original, so whatever we have uploaded as, we can change it to horizontal 16 by 9, a vertical 9 by 16, or a square. So essentially we can choose whether we want to upload this as landscape, as portrait, or as a square dedicated for, say, tablets. So if you want to see all of the changes that you have made, we can render it now. But when we do render it now, what it will do is it will pass your video once again to Wise, and it will need to render it on their side. So again, you would have to wait for their confirmation email. Once everything has been rendered, you can go ahead and export, and there you go. So as you can see, it's very, very quick. It's super quick. I did not even have to do anything to do with the video. All I did was to upload it and to choose all of my settings. And if you're happy with the edits, say, making smoother jump cuts, removing all of the silences, you're able to quickly produce a video from recording itself. So you don't have to do anything. You can let Wise AI do everything for you. Once you're happy with this, you can go ahead and export the video. And again, you can upgrade to get it to 1080p. And that's it for the tutorial. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.